Now, this is how you can link Messenger to your Facebook on the iPad. Well, the way that it works is that you have the official Messenger app on the App Store, so you need to get this. And when you do download it, you have the ability to sign in. And the reason why it may not be syncing with your Facebook is because you might be signed in with a different Facebook account, or you might have just used your phone number as the login method for Messenger, in which case it's just not going to be connected. So you want to make sure that you sign into Messenger with the same email address as well as password, which you use to log into Facebook. That's how you want to make sure it is connected, because otherwise it's going to be a little bit harder because you're going to have like two separate worlds. You're going to have a Messenger, let's say, with the phone number, and then you have a Facebook with your Gmail or email account, and this means that you don't have it linked together. So on the iPad Messenger app, ensure you are signed in with the proper account, the very same credentials that you use to sign in to Facebook itself. This is going to make sure that everything's going to be linked, all of the chats and everything's going to be customized to suit your needs, just as on the Facebook. So this is how you need to approach it. So let me know down below if it worked or if it's something that you managed to fix with this. And if not, also let me know what is the exact issue for you, because I'm kind of curious to know about that. Anyways, that's going to be about it from me. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.